All right, we are going to be working on practice in homework 3.3, which is where we are going to have to round to get an estimate. And we are also going to do regrouping method multiplication. So most of us do not have this paper. So let's grab that blank paper and start. As always, up on that top, I need you to please write your name along with 3.5. Yes, we did skip 3.4, but that's okay. We're going to be reviewing with 3.5. So let's take a peek. Number one, it says 87 times 32. 87 times 32. And they want the actual answer along with an estimate. So how we get our estimate is by rounding. So 87 rounds up to 90 times 32. 32 rounds down to 30. 9 times 3 is 27. 1, 2 zeros. So our estimate is 2,700. And then they want us to go ahead and actually do the multiplication of 87 times 32, but they want us to do that with the regrouping method. So 87 times 32, I put them stacked on each other so I can do the math easily. 2 times 7 is 14, carry up your 1. 2 times 8 is 16, plus your 1 is 17. Now you're going to work with that 3, but that's not really a 3, it's a 30. And since it's a 30, we need to put down our 0 so that we are making it in the right place value. 3 times 7 is 21. Holy smokes, had a brain fart. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 2 is 26. And then we need to add our two partial products together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 1 is 8. 1 plus 6 is 7. 2 plus nothing is 2. So 87 times 32 is 2,784. Our estimate is very close to our actual product, so we know that we're pretty okay with that answer. Let's check out number 2. Number 2 is 73 times 28. So again, we have to come up with our estimate. So we have to round 73 to the largest place value, and it rounds to 70. 28 rounds to the largest place value, and it rounds up to 30. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 1, 2 zeros. Our estimate is 2,100. And then let's go ahead and stack our 73 times our 28. Do our math problems that way. 8 times 3 is 24. Carry up our 2. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 2 is 58. Then we're going to be working with our 2, but our 2 is not a 2, it's a 20. So we need to drop down our 0 to hold its place value. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 7 is 14. And then we can go ahead and add our partial products. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 73 times 28 gives us 2,044, which again is very close to our estimate. Let's try number 3, please. 48 times 38. Again, 48 times 38. So we have to round our 48 to the largest place value, which is 50, times 38 rounded to its largest place value, which is 40. 5 times 4 equals 20. 1, 2 zeros. So we're looking at 2,000. Again, I'm going to stack my 48 times 38. 8 times 8 is 64. Carry up your 6. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 6, which is 38. And then we're going to be working with our 3, which is really a 30. So we need to drop our 0. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 4 is 30. Sorry, 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 is 14. 4, 12, 8, 1. 1,824. I think I have room for one more problem on this paper, so let's get number 4 done. Number 4 is 59 times 52. 59 times 52. So we have to round our 59 to the largest place value, which would be 60. Times 52 rounded to the largest place value, which is 50. 6 times 5 equals 30. 1, 2, 0. So we're looking at 3,000. I'm going to stack my math problem. 59 times 52. 2 times 9 is 18. Carry up. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1, 11. We're going to be working with our 5, which is really 50, so we drop our 0. 5 times 9 is 45. Carry up. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 4 is 29. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Carry up. 3. 3,068. Let's flip over your paper or grab another paper so that we can finish our last 3 problems. Please go ahead and make sure that you guys wrote your 3.5 continued on the top along with your name. So let's check out number 5. It says, baseballs come in cartons of 84 baseballs. A team ordered 18 cartons of baseballs. How many baseballs did the team order? So we have our 84 times our 18. They did not ask us for an approximation, so we just have to do the multiplication problem. So I'm going to stack them. 84 times 18. 8 times 4 is 32. Carry your 3. 8 times 8 is 64. Plus 3 is 67. We're going to work with that 1, which is really a 10. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 8 is 8. Let's add them together. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 7 plus 4 equals 11. Carry over. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 8 equals 15. So 84 times 18 equals 1,512. Let's try out number 6. Number 6 says, there are 16 tables in a school lunchroom. Each table can seat 22 students. How many students can be seated at lunch at one time? So we have our 16 times our 22. So I'm going to stack these. 16 times 22. 2 times 6 equals 12. Carry up. 2 times 1 equals 2, plus 1 equals 3. We're going to work with our 2, which is really a 20, so drop your 0. 2 times 6 equals 12. Carry up. 2 times 1 equals 2, plus 1 equals 3. And then we're going to add them together. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3. 16 times 22 equals 352. One last problem. Number 7. Write about which method you prefer to use. Do you guys like your regrouping partial products? So, do you guys like the method that I just did, or do you guys like box method? And I cannot honestly answer that for you. So, I like, and you can pick box method, which is what we did in 3.3, or regroup, which is what we did right now. You guys have to pick box method or regroup. When you guys are done with 3.5, if you have 2 papers, please make sure you send me a picture of both of them. If you did it all on one, congratulations. You guys write smaller than me. Please make sure that you send me the picture, and then please log in to Galileo and take your quiz. Thank you, guys.